Google releases a big update to Maps on iOS, but is this just another Scroogling? You decide. Back when it relaunched on iOS this past December, Google Maps was a sight for sore eyes for users who were dissatisfied with Apple Maps, which replaced Google as the native Maps application. Well, Google dropped its first big update to Maps, adding a bunch of new features that could change the experience pretty significantly. For one, Maps version 1.1 integrates your contacts. That means if you have any addresses stored in your Google account, it can now pull those up and map those addresses automatically. And for quickly finding points of interest, practical stuff like gas stations or a nearby restaurant or coffee shop, you won't have to spell out what you're looking for. They've now added categories for those searches so you can find those points of interest more conveniently and quickly than before. And users of the metric system rejoice. You can now toggle between kilometers and miles regardless of what country you're in. Androiders, of course, have long enjoyed more features than iOSers, and that hasn't changed here. iOS users still don't have offline mode or mapping layers, for instance. So great job, Google, merging your data across products to create a more convenient user experience. But if there's anyone who's not too thrilled about how Google may be using your data, it's Microsoft, who clarified last week that they will not be abandoning their Scroogled campaign against Google. You may have seen these ads on TV or on the web. They're for Microsoft products, including Bing and Outlook, showing all those awkward situations that can happen when Google delivers you ads based on your email content or search results. They've also created a site, Scroogled.com, and a petition demanding that Google not go through email to sell ads any longer. Anyway, there were some rumors that Microsoft would be ending the campaign, but in a statement, they dismissed those, saying, "Scroogled will go on as long as Google keeps Scroogling people." So despite some of the eye-rolling surrounding the campaign, the associated petition has long surpassed its goal of 100,000 signatures from angry users threatening to Bing, many of whom apparently didn't realize that this practice has been actually going on for years. Of course, this does not actually compel Google to take any action. Moral of the story though, pay attention, watch your TFN, and leave us a comment below. And don't forget to tune in to Maya and Scott's Google Hangout on Monday, March 11th at 2 p.m. PST. To join, see the details below. For TFN, this is Annie. See the details, look at the thing below. For TFN, this is Annie. Let me do that again.
That was a good save.
Yeah. Look at the thing.